Vicky, your dog is barking. What are you doing? Are you sleeping?
No.
Are you cooking?
No.
Are you eating?
No. I'm doing my homework, Dad.
Oh, okay.
Sparky, come here, boy. Come home. Oh no, I'm late for the English lesson. Hi there. In today's video, we're going to learn about present continuous. That's the verb tense we use to talk about things happening right now. Stop jumping! Oh no, come back! What is present continuous? Did you see the present continuous in our story? That's right, we use present continuous to talk about things happening at this very moment. Here's how we build present continuous. We start with a subject. This can be a noun like the kids, the girl, the hamster, or the boy, or a pronoun like they, she, it, or he. Add the right form of the verb to be. Here we have are and is, and then we finish with the main verb like play, dance, run, or tie, plus ing, playing, dancing, running, and tying. Can you say these sentences? What's number 1? The kids are playing. Good. What about number 2? The girl is dancing. Yay! Number 3 is... the hamster is running. Yippee! And the last one, number 4 is... the boy is tying his shoelaces. But wait a minute. Play becomes playing. But dance becomes dancing. It drops the E. Run becomes running. We double the N at the end. And tie becomes tying. We change the IE into Y. Sometimes we have to change the verb a little before adding ing. For verbs ending in E, we drop the E and add ing, like make, making. Help me make an example. She is making a cake. For short verbs, or one-syllable verbs, ending in consonant-vowel-consonant, we double the last consonant and add ing. Swim, swimming. Can you help me again? The fish is swimming. Great job! For verbs ending in IE, change it to Y before adding ing, like tie, tying. One more time. You try it. She's tying her hair. Great job, everyone! Let's play a game together. Can you guess which sentence is in the present continuous? 1. I like apples. 2. I'm running now. 3. He walks to school every morning. That's right, number 2. It's in the present continuous because it talks about something happening right now. Great job, everybody! Now you know how to form present continuous. See you in the next video to learn about the present continuous's uses. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe, and see you later!